Now I'm going to show you how to link apps to the focus mode in macOS. First we have to open up settings, and here it usually opens up in general. From here we just go into focus, then we click on do not disturb, and here we have focus filters. We click on add filter, and here we have these 4 apps which we can filter. So, for example, if during our focus mode we want to have certain calendars or certain messages or certain Safari websites or profiles or tab groups turned off or turned on, we can set it up right here. So we can filter by tab group or profile in the Safari app, and then we can choose the profile or choose the tab group if we filter by tab group. So yeah, that's how you can customize filters. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.